Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back, guys. It's 1st of January 26, and I thought I'd come into work and drop some bits off, and I thought while I'm here, do a monthly workshop walk around, which we haven't done in a while, so I'll turn the camera around and walk around and show you what we're working on. We've got Colin's bus, which hopefully you would have seen on a couple of previous videos. That's all painted and on the ramp, ready to rebuild now. So we should be getting back onto that soon. He's dropped off. This is his engine. He's had a rebuilt engine, all powder coated tinware and detailed up. That's ready to fit, and we've got all these powder coated parts to go on. So we'll get back onto that soon, and there'll be another video on that. Richie's 1303 that you'd have seen before on one of these videos, probably. So quite a few of you commented on that, saying wouldn't mind seeing a bit more of it. So I think what we'll do when we're back at work, we might take it out for a spin when the weather's a bit better than it is, and get some videos. And if you want to see anything in particular, just let us know. Drop it in the comments below, because it's a really low mileage original car. It's not been messed with at all. It's if you want to get the details right on one of your restoring, this will be a good one to copy. So, yeah, and then this is the caddy that we got in for repaint. That's all the panels and body prepped up, ready to go. Just got to sort some bits out on the roof. Spoke to the customer just before we broke up, and he wants them. Well, we've got to decide exactly what we're doing with them. I'll speak to him when we're back at work and decide which way to go. But yeah, that's ready to go. I'll be straight on that, painting that as soon as we get back. Just a bonnet we got in, got Rob's bonnet. He dropped this off when he collected his buggy chassis that we built for him. It's got a couple of stone chips and bits on the fronts that need sorting out, so we'll sort that for him. And then this 67 splitty is in for some welding. It's on the other side. Let's walk around and show you. Show you what we're doing on this. That sill and the B post and the rear section's pretty rough, so we're going to sort all that out, and depending on how long that takes, we might do the battery trays and rear corners, but we might be done at a later date. And we'll see how we go. We should be getting onto that one this month. This is Gwyn's 61 UK low mileage car. It's been off the road since the 80s, and his dad bought this new. It's a proper cool car. It's got the wrong rear lights and deck lid for the year, but Gwyn's keeping all that because it's just history of the car. His dad he's been on there forever. He said his dad had an accident in it, and that's what was fitted. But yeah, it's a real cool car. So, bit of me this is, and proper, look how nice that dash is. It's a great car. The channel's quite rusty on the channels and on the lower end. But look how nice the doors close. I'll show you just quick under the bonnet. Things like I just love the details like that. My dread, mate. My dread too. So we'll get onto that soon, and then Charlie's 58, we'll be getting back onto that after Gwyn's. As soon as Gwyn's is done, we're going to be concentrating on Gwyn's and the caddy, get them done, and then we should be getting back onto Charlie's. Yeah, so our 4 full quarters. I think we've got the walls parts, front quarters to go on, which are really nice. The BBT rear quarters on to go on, which will need to fit just below the swage line. But yeah, it's had some quite a bit of metal work before, and we're just going to put that right as it should be from the factory. And that's Nick's oval. We're probably not going to get back onto that now for a couple of months, and then when we are back on it, I think the plan is to get the welding finished and then we paint it and building it all back up at a later date. And then this is our buggy chassis in it, mate.
Yeah.
So I think me and Tobe are going to come in over the weekend and try and get that stripped down. Going to get the beam off and stripped down, and the gearbox out, and I'll try and strip all the brakes down. Yeah, so the project for me and my lad, Tobe. So we went and picked some tyres up for it the other day. So we're going to be getting a Manx body from Rob to East Coast. Manx, I think, I can't remember what they're called. But I haven't ordered the body yet, but that's what I'll be doing. And we're going to go for a 70s racer style. Probably do the body candy brown and some probably white and gold stripes, like race car style. And yeah, we bought these tyres for it the other day. So Dunlop Racing crossboys. They work out to be like a 295 on the back. I absolutely love them tyres. Tyres can make or break a car for me, and I've got a bit of a thing about tyres. So these front ones are matching Dunlops, and even though they're quite narrow compared to the back, they're still like a 205. They work out to be a 205. I think these, what size are these? 550L, and these are 650, I think, on the back, 650M.
They will mount as well.
Yeah, so that's what we've got in at the minute anyway. Remember what you're going to say, Tabs? Like and subscribe.
Remember to like and subscribe.
Yeah, remember to like and subscribe if you don't mind, guys. It really helps us out trying to grow the channel, bring you some more content of what we're doing in the new year. So yeah, hopefully we'll have a good 2026, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.